Hey, it's Riley Gaines, a real human and not a robot. Only a robot will say they're not a robot.
Where are we going today? Where are we going today? Alright, so we are on the road, heading out to where? A farm. Okay, we are going to Old MacDonald Farm. Yeah, so join us as we head to the farm, wherever that farm may be. And there's my chauffeur for the day. Her name is Taji Nunu. Say hi to the camera. Alright, so she's not in the mood today to talk to the camera. But let's see what happens today, alright? Peace.
You wanna go wine tasting? Oh, don't put a bit scandalizing my business.
Oh, so that name they are part of the outfit? Miss, I think that was a part of the outfit.
Pink?
I just thought it just was a part of the outfit. I didn't realize.
Nobody else have a jacket but me.
Yes, so the folks are out. Everybody is in there.
Where that's the wine tasting room. We're not doing wine tasting unless you want to after. Alright, let's go. Hey, it's Riley Gaines, a real human and not a robot. Only a robot will say they're not a robot.
Alright.
Ladies.
Puff is puffing, yeah?
I think if you park over there, so you have to pay the $10.
Oh.
But here's the wine tasting.
Okay. Alright. So the sun behind us.
Can't believe I do that.
Yes.
I'm right here, baby.
Oh, you see the pumpkins?
Okay. This is definitely like our demographic.
Sometimes.
Good? Alright, so people should come here and look on goat. Alright, let's see. That is Billy from.
Can you say goat?
Did he really just touch a goat? Okay. Okay. She just come touch the people and goat. Ever see this yet? No, sir. What is?
What you made me do.
Based on my calculation so far. Yeah, you know, look at our demographics.
Can I go in there?
Yeah, of course. Go right ahead.
Oh.
Don't let me stop you. Yeah, so I'm going to do a calculation and based on what we see so far.
Okay, we'll do the tour.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, about 3 and 4 so far. Yeah, but largely, I don't mind demography.
It's forever.
Yeah, man, see when I do over here at work. 2 hours over here at work. So like it's a working visit. Yeah, man, one a Monday bounce about and next one a Monday trampoline.
Also, it's most of kids. Oh, 1, 2, 3 again.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, man, I see 3. Yeah, but largely, by large, I don't really our place.
Oh, well, it's on our way.
Yeah, man, our work is a working visit. It's a working visit, please. Yeah.
No one our way.
You can go in there.
Yeah, because we don't see, so I don't really feel the place.
You're trying to bring the
Alright, so my name is Max, I'll be your tractor driver today. As we're heading back, just make sure that you're staying seated. The road does get a bit bumpy, so again, make sure that we're staying seated. I'll talk a little bit about our farm, stuff like that throughout the tour, so I'll stop once we get kind of towards the back. So don't be alarmed by that, we just gotta wait for the other trail to, if I can say words today, the other tractor to pass us by before we can go all the way to the back. Again, make sure that we are staying seated, and I'll see y'all once we get back.
Say hello.
I like your glasses.
My name's Max, I'll be your tractor driver today. Just make sure that we are staying seated, the road does get a bit bumpy. We're gonna have a little pit stop before we go all the way back to property, but I'll tell y'all why and such as we're going back. But again, make sure that we are staying seated, and I'll see y'all once we get back there. They're feeling not so shy while we're passing by. Just keep an eye out for them. And then once we're all the way to the back, you'll also see our cows. We have 3 cows total, and they were actually raised by our current owner's daughter. So Clay Keel is the son of our founder. And his daughter raised these cows. If you know anything about cows, they're pretty much just giant puppies. That's what they act like. And that's what our cows usually are. They are just a bit shy though, so they're under.
Winner, chicken dinner.
They're on. They're fine now.
Listen, that's listen, people who know me for years. Listen, people who know me for years have been calling me worse.
Never
So
call it they're on.
They're on.
they're on.
Okay.
That's
Like
it.
Sharon. God, Armand, why should you come with
Nothing seems right. 'Cause when you're born, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The good and strong can show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. To ever wanna be, to ever wanna be, if you're not there. Nothing seems right. 'Cause when you're born, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The good and strong can show my eyes. Do you still think of me?